Hi, or bonjour as you might say in French. So today I'm going to tell you a couple of French words that have crept their way into the English language over the last couple of hundred years, okay? The first one we're going to start with is a connoisseur. A connoisseur is an expert in something. For example, the woman is a wine connoisseur. She smells the wine and can tell exactly where it is from. The next one we're going to say is a je ne sais quoi, which happens to me quite often because I don't know what I'm talking about. However, a je ne sais quoi literally means something that you don't know. So, give you an example. Mona Lisa has a je ne sais quoi smile. You don't really know whether she is smiling or not. Next one. RSVP, or in French as they say, répondez s'il vous plaît. Literally means if you have a card from a wedding and somebody has invited you, written at the bottom it says RSVP. Please respond and tell them whether you're going or not. Okay, so the next time you're invited to a party it says RSVP, you say yes or no. And last but not least, a faux pas. A faux pas is something that you commit in a social situation. It's something that is out of line and should not be said, okay? So imagine that you ask your boss, hey, how's your mother doing? And you didn't realize that your boss's mother had died 3 years ago. So there you go. Whatever you do not commit faux pas and always RSVP to the right parties. Thank you.